Maulan sa labas dito ngayon. So, dito lang muna tayo sa loob. And then, for today's video, I would like to add some more words sa ating tutorial kahapon about languages and dialects. So, let's start. Okay, the number one word for today is in Mandaya, kabo. Kabo or sabinit. In English, clothes. In Filipino, baro. In Cebuano, sinina. Ilocano, bado. In Español, ropa. We will use it in a sentence. Kabo, marigsom kan kabo no. In English, your clothes is already dirty. In Filipino, marumi na ang baro mo. In Cebuano, hugaw na imong sinina. In Ilocano, narugit tabado mon. In Español, turupa ya esta sosya. Okay. The number two word is kubong in Mandaya. In English, feet. Sorry. In Filipino, paa. In Cebuano, tiil. In Ilocano, saka. In Español, pies. Let's use this in a sentence. Kubong, mangkaputi no kubong. That's in Mandaya. In English, white feet. Filipino, mapuputing paa. Cebuano, puti nga mga tiil. Ilocano, napupudaw nga saka. Espanyol, pies blancos. Diba? Meron na tayong natutunan. Number three word is, in Mandaya, it's masuum. In English, ang masuum ay morning. In Filipino, umaga. In Cebuano, buntag. In Ilocano, bigat. In Espanyol, mañana. Let's use it in a sentence. In Mandaya, maruyo no masuum. In English, good morning. In Filipino, magandang umaga. In Cebuano, maayong buntag. In Ilocano, naimbag nga bigat. In Espanyol, buenos dias or buenos mañana. Buenas mañana. Number four. The Mandaya word is marikulum. In English, night. In Filipino, gabi. Gabi. Cebuano, gabi. In Ilocano, rabi. In Espanyol, noche. Use in a sentence. In Mandaya, marikulum unkay. In English, it's already night. Filipino, gabi na. In Cebuano, gabi na. In Ilocano, rabiin. In Espanyol, ya es de noche. Okay. Do you follow? Number five. Mandaya word is mayam is. English ng mayam is sweet. In Filipino, matamis. In Cebuano, tamis. In Ilocano, nasamit. In Espanyol, dulce. Let's use it in a sentence. In Mandaya, mayam is kan sabaw. The soup is sweet in English. Filipino, matamis ang sabaw. Cebuano, tamis ang sabaw. In Ilocano, nasampit tadigo. In Español, la sopa es dulce. Number 6 word in Mandaya is nainog. In English, ang nainog, ripe. In Filipino, hinog. In Cebuano, nahinog. Past tense of hinog. In Ilocano, naluom. In Espanyol, maduro. Use in a sentence. In Mandaya, nainog on tubog ka. In English, the lanzones is already ripe. In Filipino, hinog na ang lanzones. In Cebuano, nahinog na ang lanzones. In Ilocano, naluom ta lanzones en. In Espanyol, el lanzones ya está maduro. Number 7 word, Mandaya is naliyagan. In English, like. In Filipino, nagustuhan. In Cebuano, nagustuhan. In Ilocano, nagustuhan. In Espanyol, gusto. In phrase or sentence, naliyag ako in Mandaya. In English, I like you. In Filipino, gusto kita. In Cebuano, gusto ta ka. In Ilocano, nagustuhan ka. In Espanyol, me gustas. Another word in Mandaya is, in number 8 is nigmuro-muro. In English, grumbling. In Filipino, nagmamaktol. In Cebuano, nagbagutbot. In Ilocano, natamitim. In Espanyol, quejadose. In a sentence, naipano si Aida no nigmuro-muro. Nigipano si Aida no nigmuro-muro. That means Aida walked away grumbling. In Filipino, umalis si Aida na nagmamaktol. In Cebuano, nilakaw si Aida nagbagutbot. In Ilocano, nagtalaw ni Aida ag tanamitim. In Espanyol, Aida se alejo refunfuñando. Number 9 word for Mandaya is uga. In English, drop. In Filipino, ihulog. Same in Cebuano, ihulog. In Ilocano, itinag. In Espanyol, soltar. Used in a sentence, in Mandaya, uga kan durian. In English, drop that durian. In Filipino, ihulog mo ang durian. In Cebuano, ihulog ng durian. In Ilocano, itinag mo ta durian. And in Espanyol, suelta ese durian. Okay? May natutunan ba tayo? Okay, last 3 my friends. Mandaya word. Number 10 Mandaya word is pabasaa. In English, let's read. In Filipino, pabasahin. In Cebuano, pabasaha. In Ilocano, pabasaem. In Espanyol, deja leer or let. In Mandaya, using in a sentence or phrase, pabasa si Juan. In English, let Juan read. In Filipino, pabasahin si Juan. In Cebuano, pabasaha si Juan. In Ilocano, pabasaem ni Juan. In Espanyol, deja que Juan lea. Number 11. Mandaya word is parigos. In English, it means bath. In Filipino, ligo. In Cebuano, kaligo. In Ilocano, digos or agdigos. Español, banyo. Used in a phrase or sentence, Mandaya parigos apad, which means in English, I'll take a bath. In Filipino, maligo ako. In Cebuano, maligo ko. In Ilocano, agdigosak. In Español, tomare on banyo. The number 12 word and the last word for today, in Mandaya, sabo. English of sabo is soup. In Filipino, sabaw. In Cebuano, sabaw. In Ilocano, digo. In Espanyol, sopa or caldo. Using in a sentence, in Mandaya, mapaso padkan sabo, meaning, in English, the soup is hot yet. In Filipino, mainit pa ang sabaw. In Cebuano, init pa ang sabaw. In Ilocano, napudot pa'y tadigo. In Espanyol, la sopa está caliente to. Oh, see? My dear friends, that's all for today's video. The 12 new words, the Mandaya words in particular, and we have translated that in English, Filipino, Cebuano, Ilocano, and Español. Diba parang nakakatuwa? Nakakatuwa na, but we have learned something for today. In spite of just sitting here, walang magagawa kasi ulan sa labas. So, I thought of adding some words to our vocabulary for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to our new channel. God bless and keep smiling. Bye.